Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Chrysler Sebring into neutral. This is especially helpful if your car has a dead battery or won't start, preventing you from shifting gears normally. Before we begin, please make sure your parking brake is fully engaged to prevent any unexpected movement. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a non-marring trim removal tool to access the shift lock mechanism. The first step is to gently remove the trim ring surrounding your gear shifter. Locate the front edge of this trim piece, usually near the cup holders. Using your trim tool or a small flathead screwdriver, carefully pry upwards. The trim ring is held by several clips, so a firm but gentle pull should release it without causing damage. Once the front is loose, you can lift the entire ring to reveal the components underneath. Now that the trim is removed, you will see the shift interlock mechanism. Look for a small, often pink or black, button or lever on the driver's side of the shifter assembly. This is your shift lock override. Using your finger or the tip of your screwdriver, firmly press and hold this button towards the driver's side. This action manually disengages the lock that prevents the shifter from moving when the car is off or without power. With the shift lock override button held down, you can now move the gear shifter. Firmly pull the shifter back into the neutral position. Once it's in neutral, release the override button. Double-check that your parking brake is still engaged and holding the vehicle securely. Finally, align the shifter trim ring and press it back down until all the clips snap into place, securing it firmly. Your Sebring is now in neutral.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.